Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto News Today. Not a lot going on today, general bad sentiment, but let's get right to it. Let's hit record and we are right here with Bitcoin at 17,114. It has been going up for a while now, it's stable above 17k. Ethereum moved less than 1% today, but still up, general trend in the past week. BNB is now back to under $300, but extremely close to it. Former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried, I didn't knowingly commingle funds. In a highly anticipated interview at Wednesday's Dead Book Summit, Sam Bankman-Fried expressed regret over his exchange's collapse, but clung to the narrative that it was a bet gone wrong. So, is he taking full responsibility? Not really. There is a general theory going on saying that if you look at his books, at his company structure and everything, it seems to be extremely basic, almost stupid in some way, which could help him actually, let's say, not get completely guilty in a lawsuit as it was very basic. And of course, it kind of matches also the narrative that is being put out there. Now, will it happen? Will he be considered guilty? Will he survive it? We don't know this. Fact is, he stated that his narrative is simply a bet gone wrong. It is not, let's say, in mala fide, as you say in the legal world. According to him, I'm just representing what I'm reading. Canada's Manitoba province enacts 18 months moratorium on new crypto mining reports. Canada is having a couple of electrical grid issues, and mining definitely affected Canada in a couple of megawatts out there. So what they did is enacting an 18-month moratorium to stop new large mining companies to come onto the grid, but it will not stop current mining companies. There are 39 out there. They will still be working, but no new companies will be able to mine at large scale for the next 18 months. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg still long-term optimistic on the metaverse. While in the first place, when we saw the metaverses coming in, he was optimistic for the shorter term. Now he's extending it for the next 5 to 10 years, and he's still all in terms of investing. Crypto Casino goes live with World Cup betting, less than 30 seconds to register. So Lucky Block Casino is a crypto casino platform, let's put it this way. They now initiated their sports betting section, and what is gaining a little bit of interest from communities and regulators, it only takes 30 seconds to build an account. There's no KYC and no email verification. Is that a good thing? Is that a bad thing? That is for you to think and discuss about. South Korean police prosecutors quadruple spending on crypto monitoring tool. I mean, after FTX's collapse and general problems we saw this year when it comes to fraudulent stuff, stuff that is like this does not surprise me, and honestly I think is kind of necessary to create a little bit more security, especially among investors who are giving money to exchanges. Miami nightclub owners mourn the lack of crypto-rich investors as market prices crash. 2021 has been a crazy year for them, people making money and spending it all, especially in America. This year, everybody's a little bit depressed in the crypto environment. We don't have that crypto money income and gains. But Block's investors will make more money than Tezos investors in 2023. But Blocks, if you already understand the name, is a platform, the decentralized platform that sells smoking material, let's call it this way. Their aim is to basically make a platform, a marketplace that is secure and also traceable when it comes to those kind of transactions. The idea is actually pretty interesting, especially if you do it in the places where it is considered legal. We'll see how this one will go, we'll see the traction it will gain, but the general idea seems to be very interesting. Demand for liquid Ethereum staking options continues to grow post-merge. One of the, let's say, crypto that has been staked the most right now is Ethereum, and the more it gets staked, especially outside of the main 5 staking, let's say, private stakers we have out there, the more Ethereum will become safer. Right now, more than 60% of Ethereum is staked and controlled, like the staking part is controlled by 5 institutions, which is a little too centralized, but as we have more and more adoption, it will become more decentralized, we hope. Binance hires audit firm that served Donald Trump to verify crypto reserves. Binance has hired this accounting company that Donald Trump has been using to verify the reserve. I believe they're gonna then release the data to prove that the reserves are good. We gotta see how it goes. It's funny how they mentioned Trump's company, but anyway, that is general good news for the crypto environment, as they're really taking seriously the whole thing of proof of reserves to the public to make their name more reliable, more trustworthy, which is very important in today's environment. CFTC, which is the Commodity Futures Trading Commission of the United States, that used to consider Ethereum and Bitcoin as commodities, is not only talking about Bitcoin. I believe the main reason behind this is that Ethereum is now starting to have actual utility, while Bitcoin is mostly a commodity. You can't really do a lot with it. So that is interesting. They backed from their initial thing, now they're focusing mostly on Bitcoin. Will Bitcoin become a commodity? We don't know about that, but they're talking about it. Last but not least, crypto trading firm Aurus Global misses DeFi payment due to FTX contagion. We have another large company missing on a payment, possibly going into bankruptcy risk. We don't know about that. Fact is, they missed a large payment of 2,400 wrapped Ethereums, which is around a couple of $1 million, $3 million right here. And we'll see if they will survive or if they will come down with all the other companies that have been contagious by FTX. Guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe. And if you would like me to add some other information, let's say sources, let me know and I might add them on these crypto updates on a daily basis. Thank you for watching. Ciao.